Anna decides enough is enough and is going off to find Ian.
No, listen.
I think I can hear voices.
Seriously, I don't... Can you not hear that grumbling sound? What is it?
Is it not the fireplace?
What, wind blowing down the fireplace?
Guys, if I don't make it back in like 10 minutes, then just get the fuck out and just run.
What? No way, I don't know that way. I really don't want to be left just the three of us, do you?
We're gonna be fine, mate. We're gonna be fine. Seriously.
Promise. Why won't it open for me?
Use your hand.
Oh, shit. Imagine if a ghost just pushed me over here now. Oh, shit! Fucking hell, there's a bell ringing in here. That's not even funny. There's a bell ringing in this house that wasn't ringing before. There's a fucking bell ringing in the house. It's all good.